there, business pros! Today, I'm diving into 3 key team interaction modes that can really boost your team's success, as outlined in the book Team Topologies by Matthew Skelton and Manuel Pace. First up, we have collaboration. This is when 2 teams come together to achieve a shared goal. Think of it as a short-term partnership where both teams innovate and learn from each other. Collaboration is perfect for tackling complex challenges that require diverse expertise. Next, let's talk about X as a service. In this mode, one team provides a service to another through well-defined interfaces, like an API. Picture a platform team delivering consistent services to stream-aligned teams. This approach helps reduce complexity and ensures everything runs smoothly across the board. Finally, there's facilitation. This is where one team helps another improve in areas where they might be lacking. Enabling teams often facilitate to upskill stream-aligned teams, making them more self-sufficient in the long run. It's like having a mentor team guiding you to new heights. So, there you have it. 3 powerful interaction modes: collaboration, X as a service, and facilitation. By leveraging these, you can drive your teams toward greater efficiency and innovation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and share it with your friends and colleagues. Our vision is to create a network of leaders and entrepreneurs that want to make an impact. Thanks for watching. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing, 1 hour at a time. Join us again on the 1 Hour Guide, and let's start making an impact together.